Near Fort Garland, a nice clear start to our Saturday. Some low-lying clouds still over the eastern plains, and you can see from our Lookout Mountain camera just some hazy conditions out there this morning, but air quality, that's in a good place, and temperatures pretty cool. We're in the upper 40s both downtown and at the airport. Relative humidity right now at 77%. That'll drop here throughout the next couple of hours, but winds will stay strong through the day. Currently sustained from the south-southeast at 20 miles per hour, and they'll pick up especially into the afternoon into our high country. If you're maybe hiking, biking, taking that drive, it'll be clear and cool to start to a lot of our central Rocky Mountains. Highs will be in the 60s and 70s. Very windy though this afternoon with just a few isolated storms. I'll take you through the future cast coming up. But from our satellite and radar, the overnight shower activity that's diminished over the plains. Still under mostly clear sky here in Denver and out to the west, but a fire weather warning, that'll be our main weather story. As we get throughout tomorrow afternoon, winds will kick up, the relative humidity will be very low, and also dry conditions are expected across all the areas you see here shaded in red. Just please be careful with any outdoor burning, adhere to any burn bans, and then just be cautious because it will be very windy, especially over higher elevations if you are in the high country. Now temperature-wise outside, Boulder 48 degrees right now, upper 30s through Allens Park, Fraser, and Dillon. Leadville at a cold 33 degrees this morning, and then 40s currently from Steamboat into Eagles. Not quite as chilly as what we felt over the couple of mornings out to our west, but by 10 o'clock today here in Denver, 61 degrees, sunshine all across the metro area. The Front Range and Plains should stay pretty mild in terms of our high temperatures. Our normals 43 and 73, so above that both today and tomorrow will be a little bit warmer than what we experienced yesterday afternoon. 3 o'clock, still breezy through Evergreen and Boulder, low to mid 70s. Estes Park, Allens Park through Grand Lake will be in the 60s later on this afternoon, and in places like Eagle and Vail, mid to upper 70s. With 73 expected into Steamboat. Downtown and across northeastern Colorado, 70s with some 60s out through Sterling and Julesburg. We'll see a little more cloud coverage still by 3 o'clock. Very gusty winds as mentioned. A slight chance for a couple of those spotty showers and storms popping up into places like Leadville, Aspen, and Eagle. Not looking at much in the way of any heavy rain, but still could be seeing a couple of those storms through the late afternoon. Then late tonight into early tomorrow morning, still staying windy over eastern Colorado with a nice dry day expected for Sunday and some warmer conditions with the winds coming in from the south. Our forecast for tonight will drop down to 55 degrees, so not quite as cool early tomorrow morning. Our highs will be warmer, mid 80s, so we'll get a little more taste of the warmth there for our Broncos home game. 70 if you're tailgating out in the parking lot. Mostly sunny skies. Warm for the game will be in the low 80s, and then winds will stay strong. By Monday, sunny, dry, 78. Overnight lows in the 40s as we get through Tuesday and Wednesday as our next front rolls through. 60s return for daytime highs.